Welcome. The purpose of this tutorial is to understand the definition of the gateway status math and English fields in the data file intake, and how to populate this information in the PDP files in order to ensure quality metrics. The Gateway dashboard shows how many first-year students successfully completed their required math or English Gateway courses. First-year Gateway course completion is a critical leading indicator of students' likelihood for credential completion, which can help alert institutions about how to better support Gateway course taking and completion among new students. To get valuable metrics in the Gateway dashboard, you need to report if the student was or was not required to take a Gateway English or Math course in the cohort file. Then you will provide the supporting course level data in the Math or English Gateway field in the course file. Please carefully read through the Gateway English status and Gateway Math status definitions in the PDP data submission guide. The submission guide is available in the link provided on the screen. This is the data definition table for the Gateway status fields in the cohort file. Please make sure to look at the allowed values column. For these fields, we want to know if the student was required to take a Math or English Gateway course at first enrollment, not in their first year. Some students may have been exempt from taking such courses. It is up to your institution to determine what courses are considered English and Math Gateway. You may need to consult with your Academic Affairs Office to determine this information. If this information is not available and you populate the fields as unknown, it will impact your metrics and the dashboard will not report this information properly. Please make sure to provide all of the following critical elements in your data files to ensure accurate gateway metrics. Here is an example of a cohort file with Gateway Math status and Gateway English status defined. In this example, the Gateway Math status and the Gateway English status are the last two fields in the row. John's Gateway Math status is required, but the institution has determined that his Gateway English status is not required for him at the time of his first enrollment. If you have any questions or need assistance, please reach out to the PDP team at pdpservice@studentclearinghouse.org.